Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to be doing some seeds. And the seeds that we are going to be doing are for blonde bell pepper. Blonde bell pepper, yes, blonde bell pepper. But you're probably asking yourself, but I've seen green, I've seen red, I've seen yellow, I've seen orange. Well, there is such a thing as blonde bell pepper. When you see a green bell pepper, green bell peppers are actually not, how do I put this? Okay, okay, red, yellow, orange, okay? Those are actually fully ripe, ready to eat. You know what I mean? All bell peppers they're supposed to be red or yellow or orange, okay? The green, all bell peppers go through like stages. And at first they're green. And then they go to red or yellow, okay? But yes, there is such a thing as blonde bell pepper. And what I'm going to be showing you today is how to get the seeds out, which I'm sure everybody knows how to do, but I'm going to be doing these so I can replant, okay? Now you want to make sure that your bell pepper, okay, is ripe enough, okay? You want to make sure that it's ripe enough. And what I mean by ripe enough, okay? Now, when you see a pepper and it's crunchy and it's yummy and it's, oh my goodness, and you put it in dipping sauce and stuff and you're like, oh, guess what? That's not a ripe bell pepper. A bell pepper should never do crunch. A bell pepper shouldn't make any sound at all. Okay? And when a bell pepper, or any pepper really, it could be habanero, it could be, jalapeno, it could be anything. You don't want it to make any sound for when you're getting those seeds out, because guess what? They're not going to be ready for you to get those seeds out. Okay? You don't want it to do that crunch. You don't want that. All right? So I'm going to be cutting these up because I'm putting them in with my dinner tonight. And I got these out of my garden. I'm so excited. So what you're going to do, I want to make sure I get these seeds because I don't want to damage them. So I'm going to be like a surgeon over here. Scalpel? No, I'm kidding. No, I'm not. But anyway, listen. So, you just want to get these seeds out. Okay? And you want to get them on a paper towel, all right? And you want these to sit, you want to put them on a paper towel and let them sit for like 3 to 5 days, okay? And then you want to put them like, if you're not going to replant them right away, if we're not in season, okay? You can put them in an airtight container or like a Ziploc-y, okay? And then put them in an airtight container until next growing season. But honestly, peppers are the easiest to, get the seeds from, obviously, because the seeds are right there. So, but, you just want to make sure. And I'm pretty sure you can do these with store-bought as well, but these came right from my garden. So I just wanted to show you. And you know how many seeds come out of a pepper. Oy, Madam Maria. You get a lot. So you want to make sure you get all these seeds, because these are going to go right back into that garden. They're clinging to me. And you want to make sure that if you do store these until next season, that they are completely dry before you put them in a container, because moldy seeds, guess what? Caca, throw them out, because nothing's going to produce out of that. Nothing's going to grow from that. Get on that, please. Yeah. All right. Clean as a whistle. Get over there. And that's pretty much it. You just want these to dry out for a good, like I said, 3 to 5 days. And nothing else has to be done to these seeds. And I mean absolutely nothing else has to be done to these seeds. Let them dry 3 to 5 days. Put them in an airtight container if we're not in season to grow. But right now we are in season, so these bad boys are going to go right into the garden, you know, as soon as they're done drying out. So, happy gardening, guys. I'll see you in the next one. I love you. Oh, and if you're new to this channel, please subscribe. I would totally love that. And if you're returning, how you doing? I love you. Bye.